Hey guys, Ashley here from PVC Fittings Online, and happy Halloween! And in the Halloween spirit, we want to show you guys today how to make a PVC pumpkin spider. This is a super cool project and it's very easy to make. To do this, you're going to need 4 3-way tees, 8 45-degree elbows, 8 90-degree elbows, 8 end caps, 14 2-inch pieces, 10 10-inch pieces, and 8 15-inch pieces. And then of course, you'll need a pumpkin to finish it off. So let's go find out how to make it. To start, you're going to take a 10-inch length of pipe and place a 3-way elbow on each end. Repeat that a second time. Then, go ahead and take 3 2-inch pieces and 2 tees and connect them in a straight line. Repeat that a second time. Now take the 4 pieces you just put together and connect them in the shape of a square. In the top slip of each of your open tees, you're going to place a 2-inch piece of pipe. Once you have that done, go ahead and place a 45-degree elbow on the end of each 2-inch piece. Then, into each 45-degree elbow, you're going to place your remaining 10-inch pieces of pipe. On the end of your 10-inch pieces of pipe, you're going to place your 90-degree elbow. Then you're going to take your 15-inch lengths, place an end cap on one end, and insert the other end into the open slips of your 90-degree elbow. Isn't that the cutest? And the best part about this project is that it's 100% customizable. You can get a plastic pumpkin, keep your candy in it for the kids to come grab some, buy a real pumpkin and carve a scary face on it. You can decorate it any way you want, paint, ribbon, markers, or you can go ahead and buy colored PVC. We sell a wide array of furniture PVC, red, green, orange, purple, yellow, blue, black, whatever color you want to make your spider, go for it. Remember, have fun and stay safe this Halloween.